In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to point your domain to your website using GoDaddy. This process essentially connects your unique domain name to the website you've created so that when people enter your domain name in their browser, they will be directed to your website. Firstly, you must log in to your GoDaddy account. GoDaddy is a popular domain registrar and website host, and you will use your login credentials to gain access to the account that holds your domain. Next, navigate to the product page inside your account. This page contains all the products you have purchased from GoDaddy, including website hosting and domains. Look for the domain name you'd like to connect to your website and click the Launch button next to it. This will take you to the management portal for your specific domain. Moving on, look for an option that says Connect next to the text that says Websites plus Marketing Site. This functionality allows you to link your domain with your website, so go ahead and select it. At this point, you'll start seeing on-screen instructions that will guide you to finalize the linking of your domain to your website. Follow these instructions carefully to understand and execute the necessary steps. At some point in the process, you'll be asked to select your domain. Make sure to select the right one if you own more than one. After you've made your selection, remember to save the changes. Just before we wrap up, let's revisit the product page by returning to your GoDaddy account. Find the section called My Products or Domains Overview. Here, find the domain you're working on and try to locate the DNS or name server settings. You'll need them to finally point your domain to your website. Now replace the default GoDaddy name servers with the ones provided by your hosting company. This information can be found in your hosting control panel or in the email you received from your host when you signed up for hosting. Enter the given name server information accurately, and don't forget to save the changes. One of the final things you should know during this process is that it can take up to 72 hours for these changes to fully propagate. In simple terms, it means that it may take up to 3 days for your domain to fully point to your website across the entire internet. So if you don't see the changes immediately, don't panic. Give it some time, and your website should soon be accessible via your new domain name. And with that, we have successfully pointed your domain to your website using GoDaddy. Patience is key through the process, but soon your website will be live and accessible from anywhere. It's that straightforward. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in making your website live for the world to see.